Apple iPhone 16 manufacturing. Full English voice script. Have you ever wondered how the iPhone 16 is made? This is the advanced Apple iPhone 16 manufacturing facility, where innovation comes to life. High-precision robotic arms assemble the iPhone 16 with extreme accuracy. At this stage, the powerful A18 chip is installed, becoming the brain of the iPhone 16. Here, the advanced camera system is carefully installed for professional level photography. The battery, securely placed to deliver long-lasting and reliable performance. The glass and frame are aligned with precision to achieve a premium finish. Every iPhone 16 goes through strict quality inspection to meet Apple's high standards. Durability tests ensure the device can handle real-world conditions. Thermal testing checks heat control and performance under pressure. Each component plays a vital role in building the power of the iPhone 16. In the final assembly line, the iPhone 16 takes its complete form. The device is cleaned and polished for a flawless, premium look. Apple's iconic logo is engraved using laser-level precision. The first boot tests both software and hardware performance. Finally, the iPhone 16 is packaged and shipped worldwide. This is how Apple turns technology into perfection.